This is Lamont Stanley. I'm at New York Fitness today, and I'm going to train chest and triceps. One thing that I want you to take away from this video, I want you to always keep the intensity high, push through your barriers, and don't challenge yourself no matter what the exercise is. So as I always say, warming up is very important. I did do cardio, but I did my cardio training this morning, so just to get the blood flowing, get a good pump. I'm just starting with really super light weight. 10, 1, 12, 13, 20. High rep, warm up. This feels good, man. So I'm gradually going to keep increasing the weight. I keep increasing by 10 pounds on each side. I'm going to complete about 4 to 5 working sets. I'm going to continue to train and push. Oh, I feel great today. Whew. So now I have my wrist wraps. I purchased these from cranesmuscleworld.com. So there's a loop. You just place your hand through the loop, wrap it around, get a nice firm wrap. They give you extra support and stability. It's worth every dollar. So now I'm going to be using the Slingshot. This is made by Mark Bell. You can purchase these at howmuchyourbench.net. What this does, it acts literally as a slingshot. So this just allows me to get a few more repetitions than I would without it. So I like using little things that give me a little bit of help. As I said, I'm still doing the work, but it just gives me a little extra boost and an extra push. Two. And up. So I trained abs earlier. I also did cardio, and it was a very intense abdominal session. And at this point, my abdominals are actually starting to cramp a little bit, especially on my right side. But that's just another challenge that sometimes you have to push through. You know, different things come up and you just have to fight through it. I'm gonna do a bit of a burnout now. As many reps as I can. Get as much blood in the chest as possible. As much tear down, so that when the muscles, they recover and they heal, they'll come back stronger. That's why I do a combination of the heavier weights, the lighter weights, the heavier weights, and the drop sets, the pyramiding up and down. You get all those benefits compiled into one workout. I'm not done. I'm just gonna take a couple seconds. There's a lot of blood in my chest, and you know, I'm very fatigued, but just give myself and give the active recovery a chance to kick in. And that's good. That's good. Clean up your equipment. Clean up after yourselves. Don't be that gross person in the gym who doesn't clean up after themselves. To view the second part of this workout, where I'll be training chest and triceps, click on the link. And please, don't forget, tell a friend, share, like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thank you. Until next time, I'll see you.